In this video, I'm going to be talking more about our final discussion forum. We are in week 14 of class, our 13th discussion forum, and we're talking about working with diverse populations. So group D is going to lead us this week. And like I said, hang in there because this is our last discussion forum for the semester. So again, group D is going to lead us. Group D, you will post an initial primary post as well as 2 response posts. Every other student, you're only responsible for those response posts this week. So I'm going to read this a little bit. So for everybody, as we near the end of the course, you may be unsure about whether you are prepared to work with the vastly diverse group of people that will inevitably become part of your future job or career. As a professional in mental health, any helping field, or other careers where you work with people, you will use many of the concepts learned in this course. Additionally, as you begin to use those concepts, they will begin to have a clearer focus. So this assignment will help you clarify your own multicultural views as they relate to working with multicultural people. Additionally, if you're working in the field of addictions or prevention, or have employees with substance use issues, this information should give you more tools to be better equipped to work with substance abuse across diverse populations. So we are wrapping it up this semester. How do we take this in a very practical kind of motion here, right? What's next? We're taking a pragmatic view. So group D, your primary initial post should discuss all of these things. So 1, what types of racial, ethnic, and other minority groups do you think you would work particularly well with? Explain why. Be sure to use appropriate vocabulary associated with concepts you discuss. Cite course materials here. Number 2, what types of racial, ethnic, and other minority groups do you think you would have difficulty working with? Explain why, and please give examples. It is not enough to say nobody for questions 1 or 2 here. This is an explorative conversation. If you're having trouble writing things that you're comfortable sharing with the group, please reach out to me and we can work on something together. Number 3, what steps would you like to take in the near future to improve your sensitivity to diverse clients and become more effective and more culturally competent? So answer those 3 questions in depth, provide citations to course materials, really incorporate those course materials from throughout the semester into your answer. So for your reflection or for your response post, what we're looking for here is reflection on your own strengths and areas for improvement. So respond to a minimum of 2 students from group D's primary posts. Number 1, identify similarities in your strengths and areas for improvement. Number 2, identify differences in your strengths and areas of improvement. Number 3, why do you think these similarities and differences exist? And number 4, what steps could you take to improve your sensitivity to diversity and to become more culturally competent? So again, you're going to be including course materials to back up your, especially number 3 and number 4 in your response posts here. So as normal, primary posts from group D are due by Wednesday, November 30th, and responses are due by Friday, November 2nd from everybody. If you need a refresher on the confidentiality policy or grading criteria, please check out these links here. If you have questions about the assignment, reach out to me ahead of time before they're due, and everybody give yourself a pat on the back. This is the last written assignment for the semester. So yeah, again, reach out with questions, head on over to that homepage if you've got them, drop me an email, and thanks for participating, everybody.